Welcome to another street circumstance video. So today what I'm gonna do is work on my terminal. It's worn out and I'm using a screw and a screwdriver to hold it in there, which is not like giving the car that 12 volts power for the computer system and everything in the car. And I'm gonna switch my side markers. You can see these ones are worn out, and fix my electrical connection that side. You won't be able to see, but I want to fix my electrical connections for the fog lights, and then those are the three issues I'm gonna tackle today. But nevertheless, I think everything is up to standard for now. So these are the only upgrades I'm gonna make on the car, and then so let's get to it. Okay, so these are the connections I bought. So to easily connect this, so I can have a neat wiring setup, I'm gonna connect these two with this connector. Most of you know these connections from your xenon lights. So I'll connect these two to make it look neat, the connections to look neat. Plus you know the R2 and the what and the national and the board are all over cars now for excessive wiring. So just to make it neat and make it look like OEM, these are the connectors I'm gonna use. Let me get to it. Easy it was, just the connectors and then the insulating, and then done. Now to the next one. So here we have it, guys, nicely connected. I just need to neatly tuck the wires, and then so okay, so guys, I'm done with the battery. Okay, so while I was busy checking if everything fits, so the panel beater, it was working on my car because the car was a front smash. Decided to cut this and then place it in. So I was wondering why it was not working. So now I have to make means to make it work. And I can't even see the wire there. So it's just another stress. So I'm replacing the side markers with these ones, LEDs. So see they're different from the old ones and the new ones. So I'm replacing the side markers. So let me get to it. Okay guys, so yeah, I had to make it work. So these are the new ones. I think the sequential or what, yeah, whatever they say, yeah. And then maybe I'll change these ones to LEDs too. And I managed to connect this other one because this one was not working. So yeah, stay tuned for another video guys. I don't know what's next, but yeah, just stay tuned for another video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Otherwise guys, I'll see you on the flip side. Ciao.